Hi everyone and welcome to my presentation of Slack. Slack is a searchable log of all conversations and knowledge. It works similar to like a Facebook Messenger or an email chain, but it's more user-friendly and it's great when you want to get stuff done and not have a lot of interruptions. If you want to have side conversations, you can do that as well, and if you want to have private messages, you can do that also. So I already have a Slack account. I'm going to sign in. Otherwise, you can try it for free. I suggest trying it for free, kind of getting a feel of what it's like. But right now, I'm going to sign in. And then I'm already signed into my workplace, and that's Mrs. May's classroom. If you don't know yours, you can find your workspace, or you can create your own as well, which is what I've done because I don't have it affiliated with a workplace or workspace. So click on there. And I already started posting stuff in here just to get a feel for this and kind of have some examples set up. So this is set up just like a one-stop shop for all of your messaging. So if you have a couple different classes who have, let's say you teach like 4 different classes throughout the day, you can have a channel for each of the class. Or you can have a channel for general stuff here. So let's say like you want your syllabus in here, and then you can start typing your syllabus information. Or any reminders that you have. And that will go like in your general section. You can create different channels here. So if you want to call it, let's say, marketing class, you can have that. You can invite people to that channel. So if you click the invite other people now, you can start adding them. I mean, obviously I don't have anybody in here right now, but we can add them to the workspace or add them to this channel. Once they're in your workspace, then you'll be able to add them to that channel. You can also direct message people. So if you are having a conversation in one of these channels and you need to take it to like a side conversation, instead of emailing everyone back with that information, you can create a direct message on here. Click the little plus, and let's say we want to have a conversation with somebody. I'll use Slackbot just for an example. And this is really nice because this gives you all of your information if you have any questions about anything. So let's ask what he had as an example up there. And this kind of goes to show you how easy and user-friendly it is. It gives you help with their help center. So how to edit or delete messages, click on that link, and then it shows you all of the information on how to do that. Super user-friendly. I'm going to go back to Slack. You can add apps. You can install your Google Drive on here, which I talked about before, and how to navigate that. You can invite people. If you click up here on your workspace, you have your preferences, administration, so you can manage members, add members, delete members, manage apps, customize your Slack, find out different information. So Slack is really great when you want to have one space where people can communicate without using email, without using text, and just have a space where, you know, those side conversations don't exactly happen, but work can get done quickly. So the biggest thing about Slack is that it's searchable. It's a collaboration software that moves work forward, according to Slack, and team members can join and leave channels as needed, unlike lengthy email chains do. So like I said, the threads do keep the side conversations from derailing. So like these little channels are great to keep things on task, to keep things separated, add channels, and then invite people and add apps. You can also view conversation details up here. You can see what files you have on here. You can add files. It's just a way to communicate with other people.